How to unfollow everyone on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unfollow everyone on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen to access your profile. Scroll down or swipe up to reach the section where you can see your follower and following. Tap on Following to view the list of people or accounts you are currently following. Unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't have a feature to unfollow everyone at once. You will need to manually unfollow each individual one by one like this. You will need to manually unfollow each individual. To unfollow someone, simply tap on that following button next to their name. Repeat this process for each person you want to unfollow. Once you have unfollowed everyone, your following list will be cleared. In this way, you can unfollow everyone on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.